The Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way has led the way in identifying our community's greatest needs, our priorities for impact.
The priorities for impact were community needs that were developed out of surveys that we did a number of years ago, as well as surveys that others have done since then. It's important for the United Way to be able to be involved as catalyst in order to meet those needs. We can't do things alone. We need the resource of the whole community to be able to do this, but acting as a catalyst for it is important because somebody has to identify the problem, look for a solution, and then marshal resources to be able to bring about change.
The Greater Susquehanna Valley United Way is uniquely positioned to address our priorities for impact, which include improving public transportation, helping at-risk teens, drug and alcohol abuse, breaking the cycle of poverty, quality childcare, and diversity issues facing our growing population.
Live United is a phrase that enables everybody to focus on solving problems together. We're not just Northumberland County, Snyder County, or Union County. We're the Susquehanna Valley, and we're working together, and we're living united to solve the problems of our communities.
The thing that we've seen, particularly with our United Way here in the Susquehanna Valley, is that they're interested in all of those components that make quality of life so important. Whether it is transportation systems, whether it's access to medical care, whether it is access to quality early childhood programs. They're on the forefront of looking for ways to integrate successful programs and evidence-based programs into the things that the United Way is supporting.